Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and I'd like to introduce to you my new Xtra Advanced Breakout Trend Trading Simple System. We just call it the Xtra Advanced Breakout Simple System for short. And I'm showing you this video because the Xtra Advanced is brand new and it builds on the Advanced. So it includes the indicators that come with the Advanced, which is the Fibonacci heat map, which is the red overbought zone and the blue oversold zone, and all of the different Fibonacci levels that get automatically drawn for you, so you never have to draw them for yourself. And basically we trade between the red overbought and the blue oversold zone, either buying long in the blue zone or selling short in the red zone. And our targets can be the Fibonacci levels, which all of this is redrawn automatically for you, so you never have to plot the lines yourself or try to figure it out. You just have to learn how to trade between the overbought zone and the oversold zone, and your targets are the Fibonacci lines. Fibonacci is one of the only leading indicators, and Forex traders are just learning how to use it. Stock traders have used it for many years, decades actually, and so Forex traders are just learning about it, and it's wonderful to have an indicator that automatically draws the lines and shows you the price in context, overbought and oversold. So it's a wonderful indicator, and I highly recommend it. It's very sophisticated and definitely will take your trading to the next level. The Advanced also includes the triangle breakout, which draws automatically for you triangle patterns. The dashed green line is the upper resistance, and the dashed red line is support. And if the price breaks either above the dashed line or below the dashed line, it'll give you a pop-up alert telling you upper trend line break or lower trend line break. And it draws the targets for you. And here's the green buy target, and here's the red sell target. And those are the basic indicators for the Advanced Simple System, which comes with all of the indicators with the basic Simple System, which you already purchased. So if you're trying to make up your mind if you want the Advanced, I would go ahead and get it, because then you'll be allowed to purchase the Xtra Advanced. And now I'm going to show you some of the features of the Xtra Advanced. First of all, we have a new template which we call high contrast. So the colors are brighter, they stand out better against the black background, so it's easier to see and identify the colors. If you open up your screen, you can see this morning we had a big drop in the euro, and now it's got into consolidation. And you can see the color bars very well against either the blue or the black background. So this is a nice improvement for the colors of the template over the Advanced system. The next thing that I'm going to show you is you've been seeing these little pop-up boxes and hearing the alert. We now have a perfected alert system based on volatility. It's based on the basic iTrend. It's an ADX cross, and it's in the basic and the Advanced system, but now with the Xtra Advanced, it comes with an alert that's very accurate and something you can depend on, because it basically does not react unless it follows the rules, and the rules have to do with these indicators here. They all have to be in agreement color-wise, and it's all behind the scenes in the coding, and also the volatility has to coincide. You get the alert, pop-up alert, based on the volatility reaching the 60 RSI. That's a strong, normally people take trades at 50 RSI. You actually can with this system. Even down here, the volatility started right above the 30 RSI. You had a cross, but this was non-farm payroll this morning, and you knew, or you should have known, non-farm payroll payroll was happening, if you had looked in a 30-minute chart, you would have seen we had been on a long downtrend for a long time up until the event, the economic news event. So you would have already known that you're going short. You would have placed your trade somewhere back here short. So then when the non-farm payroll hit, you would have already been in your trade. So anyway, back to the 15-minute chart. Now we're in consolidation late morning after non-farm payroll. The trading range is really narrow. The volatility is very, very low. You can see here for non-farm payroll, the volatility shot up over the 80% line. It probably was up above 100% and then came down. And then you would have gotten another pop-up alert telling you to close the sell trade when this I trend actually hit the 70% RSI. So right around here, you would have had your close sell trade, and if you had gotten in, say anywhere, say let's be conservative, say you got in here when the I trend actually crossed the 60 RSI and the candle broke through the consolidation box. Say you had gotten in there and the I trend gave you a close sell alert when it came back down to 70%. That would have been 43 pips, and that would have been super painless, very risk-free. So the other, we give you an easy order script. That's a free script on the net, but we give it to you. You just pull it onto your highest time frame, place your buy or your sell order. Say we want to sell, and you have a lot size that's selected for you, or if you right mouse click, you can choose risk base and then just click submit your order. When you put in sell or buy, it places your stop loss automatically for you, so you can see where your stop is going to be. It places your take profit order, so you can see where that's going to be. And you can once you place and submit your order, you can double click these lines, the take profit or the stop, and drag them up and down on your chart. It does place them automatically for you, and it'll place them at the strongest support or resistance, which you can see it's definitely chosen that, so it's really accurate. And it's definitely an improvement over the new built-in MT4 one-click trading, because the one-click trading that MT4 now gives you does not place your stop and your take profit. You have to do that manually, which is another manual physical confirmation that takes time. It's still clumsy. It does just is about as clumsy as it can be. It's a slight improvement over the old MT4, but the easy order is superior in every way. It is free on the net, but I give it to you as a bonus and I teach you how to use it. So you can right mouse click and remove it. You can refresh the lines. It's just a great little script, and it comes loaded already into your tablet. Now if I go back to Expert Advisors, I also in the Xtra Advanced give you my trade manager that I like really well. It has one feature that I love, which is it's a use partial close. So it's set to 1, means true take profit level. This would be well, that's 20 pips in a regular brokerage account, but if it's ECN, you have to add an extra 0. So you can change this value to be anything you want. I give you already 3 presets, one for scalping, one for, that would be for scalping or news trading, or for day trading or swing trading for the 15-minute chart. So I give you 3 presets, and I use one. You get 7 trailing stop types. I use mostly stop type number 5, which is E-trailing. And this is set to move your stop to break even when you hit X number of pips, and then it'll trail by X number of pips. So you can set these values to anything, although they're already preloaded into the presets. So that makes trading totally emotion free. You just click it and add it to your chart when you're ready to trade. click and add your easy order to the, and then you just place your trade. You know what direction you're going to be going in because you can see we're in oversold here. Right now it's flat consolidation, but if we were in a moving market, you would have your iTrend RSI giving you the trend percent when it reaches 50 or 60. When this crosses at 50 or 60, then you can go long, because all of these indicators will confirm, and it's all color coded, so you know exactly at a glance what to do. You don't have to analyze anything really, and your brain will quickly get trained to make great trading decisions based on color and volatility. Everything at a glance is there for you to know. So let's switch over to the 5-minute time frame. You can see we're really in the oversold zone. Here's a non-farm payroll earlier this morning on the left, the big drop. Now we're in consolidation. It's Friday late morning. So the volatility is strong for a little bit of a pullback, but you don't want to trade at this time of day. But I'm just showing you that probably on Monday sometime, because we're buying from the bottom, and up here we'll take our profit, and then we'll probably sell and come down again. And that's how you can just trade the ranges. And depending on the volatility and the price movements, there could be a lot of room to trade. That can be a lot of pips for you. And if you like to scalp, here's you can see the big move up from the bottom of the oversold zone. You can see how it sold off from the red overbought zone and came down to the blue oversold zone, then came up again, and then now we're at the end of the trading day pretty much, so the market's very, very flat. But here's your RSI and your iTrend. This is all your volatility window that's special. You won't find this anywhere else. And then of course with the easy order, combined with the easy order and the trailing stop EA and the new high definition and the alerts are just wonderful. If you haven't found alerts to be valid, or too many false signals with other trading system alerts, you're going to love this one because it's bug free. We've worked out the bugs. It's taken us about 5 months, and now it's just a perfect volatility pop-up audio alert for buying and closing your trade, and based on volatility, and all confirmed by the indicators that are coded into the alert indicator. So that's the introduction to Cynthia's Xtra Advanced Breakout Trend Trading Simple System. You do have to buy the advanced system first, and then you can buy this one. It's a small upsell fee. We have to charge for it because the coding has taken us 5 months and a lot of money and a lot of time, and we've got it perfect for you now, so it's a great product. If you like the advanced breakout simple system and you want to buy it, go ahead and click the button for this trading system, because it's going to include everything from the advanced and from the basic. This gives you extra advanced, everything extra in addition to all the basic and advanced indicators. This gives you all the extra stuff, all the new features that are just absolutely wonderful. You're going to love it. So thank you very much for watching. Click the buy button below, and you're getting a great price for all of this. This should be probably hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but you're not going to have to pay that much for it. So just go ahead and click the buy button. When you do purchase, you'll immediately be redirected to a web page where you can instantly download with the one-click auto installer. You don't have to fuss around with trying to figure out which folders these files go into. The one-click auto installer will do it all for you. It'll put all the files into the correct folders. Then the PDF will pop up, which is your guide with all of your training videos and screenshots and everything you need to learn how to trade the system. You just save the PDF to your desktop, open up your MT4 trading platform, and start practicing. And I know you're going to love everything. This is going to take your trading and your profits to the next level. It's going to make you be able to trade as close to a pro as you probably could ever dream of. and you can make this your main source of income if you practice. And of course, practice makes perfect. And so I hope you click the buy button now, and later I hope you go over to my Facebook page and give me a like and give me a little comment about how much you like the trading system, because I know you're going to love it. And we do want to share this with other traders that are struggling, because we know everybody's having a hard time. This will help everybody take their trading to the next level. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.